Hi guys, today we talk about how can you add vehicle info on your InDrive app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your InDrive app. So all you have to do, just go above this and click on it here. So then it's going to show for us list like this. Then all you have to do, you just click here on your name. So then you come to this list here, you just click here on city areas here. Then you come to this list, you just switch into open video here. Then you click here on vehicle info here, just click on it. Then so when you click on it here, can you so if you want to select transport here or number plant or photo of your vehicle here or certificate or vehicle resistance here, can you choose so then you just click here on down, then it's going to add video. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.